Hello, I saw your question on the discussion board from section 5.3, I guess number 6. They do want you to use a double angle identity, find the exact value. Not sure you need it for a particular 60 degrees, but let's go ahead and look at it. So here's a double angle identity. 2 times tangent of x all over 1 minus tangent squared of x equal tan of 2x. You'll find on page 203. So instead of x in this particular problem, we have 60 degrees. So I just put the 60 degrees in. So you just put 60 in here. So this is on by double angle identity. This is going to equal tangent of 2 times 60, which is tangent 120. Well, over here I'm drawing a picture. Here's a 120 degree angle. The reference angle would be 60 degrees. We're in quadrant 2, so tangent would be negative. So tan 120 degrees is the same as minus tan of 60. The tangent of 60 degrees is square root of 3, and just carry the minus along. I do see you got it correct. Hope this helps.